Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2018 Ford Everest, stock number 6492. It's run from the 7th 2015 to the 5th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,